Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be talking about what trademarks are and how you can check for them. So let's get started. It is very important to check the trademark of every title of the book you plan on writing on to be sure it is safe and not copyrighted. So before I guide you on how you can check for trademark, you should know what trademark stands for. A trademark is a word, phrase, or design legally registered to a company. Only the owner of the trademark is allowed to use it. If you publish a book on a trademark term, you are trying to violate the KDP terms and guidelines and can lead to your account termination. Not checking for trademarks are some of the biggest mistakes a lot of people make when publishing. It's always advisable to check whenever you discover a new keyword or title for your books. So, how do we check for trademarks? There are lots of ways you can check for trademarks, and one of them is by using BookBeam. BookBeam is a paid tool that has so many advantages. You don't only check for trademark, you can do profitable keyword research, you can check for category and a lot, but we are not talking about the whole aspect of BookBeam today. The main reason why we're talking about BookBeam is for trademark for this particular video. So we are here on our BookBeam page, and if we want to check for trademark, we'll come down here to these options that are here. Then you scroll down to research. Under research, you're going to see stuff like niche finder, Chrome extensions, category history, and also trademark checker. So we're going to click on the trademark checker for this particular option. We have clicked on it. I have a keyword that I already checked if it is trademarked or not, and we're going to be using it for example. I have two keywords. For this particular keyword, it's called the Mediterranean diet cookbook. So I will search for it, and as you guys can see, this keyword is not trademarked, so it is safe to say that we can work on this keyword. Then the second title is called bite sized, right? So let's search for it. As you guys can see, this keyword is trademarked, and it's not only trademarked, it is trademarked on that printed books. So BookBeam will tell you the category in which the keyword is trademarked and if it is live or pending. So it's safe to say that we are not going to use this keyword, we are not going to write on it. Please stay away from this kind of keywords. Then the second option is actually the trademark search, which is the uspto.gov. if you search it on the Google search bar, anything, if you just search for trademark search on your Google search engine, it's going to give you the first option, which is the trademark search for uspto.gov. So the next thing we are going to do now is to type, let's just go for this first option here, which is the bite sized. So if you search for it, you're going to see so many things like bite-sized waffle coins, bite-sized therapy, bite-sized nutrition, bite-sized size, bite-sized archie, and so on and so forth. This particular word is trademarked. As you can see here, it is trademarked under printed books, so it's safe to say that you should not go for this keyword. So let's go for another keyword now. Let's just copy this and just go to another site. So the third option here is Marcaria. Marcaria is another search engine that you can use for checking for trademarks for your books. It's straight to the point without issue, just the same way you check for trademark on trademark search and also on BookBeam. That's how you check for it here. So click on the search option that is here. When you click on it, it's going to start showing you searching. If this keyword is trademarked, it will tell you or not. So as you can see, we already have 5 and 8 trademarks terms for this particular keyword. We have bite-sized science. This is it. This is the status. It's expired, which is, it means it's available. If I should click on this, it's going to give us more information on this. We have bite-sized science, we have bite-sized arching, we have bite-sized dream, we also have right-sized bite. We just keep scrolling, you keep seeing options, right? So as you guys can see, this is the status for this particular keyword. It is expired, possibly they are going to renew it again. We also have this one, it's filed, that means the keyword is actually active. We have cancelled, it's cancelled, maybe they don't need the trademark for this keyword again, we have registered too. So if we are going to check for it, this is how you check for trademark for this particular keyword. So let's come to the last one, which is trademark here. Let's input the keyword again. This is the keyword, so we search for it. So as you guys can see, this is the search results that Trademark here gave us for this particular keyword. We have sized is trademarked. Let's see if we're going to see that size byte. There's so many options for it, so let's be specific. See, so as you guys can see, we have bite size Archie the same way that the other website showed us. Just is the same way this website is also showing us. So as like I said, this keyword is trademarked under printed books, so it means you cannot write on this keyword. Alright guys, so these are the ways that you can search for your trademark for your books, to be sure that you are safe from writing on them. So like I said, the first thing to always do when you want to work on a keyword is to make sure that you do a profitable keyword research. I have a video on that, and I'm going to just leave the link for you to watch. And we also have the other option that should follow is your trademark search, because there's no point writing on a very good keyword when you are not sure if it is trademarked or what. And the main thing here is to make money, and while making money we also need to be verified. I believe you found this video very useful. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting content that will help boost your KDP business, and also like our videos and also share to promote our channel. Drop your comments under the comment section and I will respond to you. Have a nice day. Bye.